education. I started still like just an ordinary student. Although dati sa high school, yun lang ang kumakanta-kanta ako. And then I decided to be like a teacher someday. So I decided to take a course of education. And then while taking that course, naging scholar ako. It's because nag-singing ako sa choir sa Cebu Normal College, Curao. And then, ayun, while singing, while nag-estudyante ako kumakanta-kanta kahit saan, anywhere, natayanan ko naman.
Di mo po working student po yung college. Paano niyo po na manage yung time po sa pamilya, sa studies, tsaka sa yung ano po, yung trabaho?
Trabaho. And, well, before, I lived alone.